In a dense, verdant jungle, where the sun struggled to pierce the canopy, a peculiar bird named Cassandra resided. Cassandra was no ordinary bird. She was a cassowary, the world's most formidable flightless bird. Her plumage was a mosaic of blue and black, and her crest, a towering cascade of sharp, spiky feathers. Cassandra was admired by all the creatures of the jungle for her strength and beauty. However, she was always restless, seeking something more. One day, she heard a rumor about a mystical crown hidden deep within the jungle that would grant its wearer immense power. The crown was said to be guarded by a fearsome beast, the jungle's wrath. Cassandra, undeterred, decided to embark on a quest to claim the crown. She journeyed for days, facing numerous challenges, proving her courage, wisdom, and determination. Finally, she reached the lair of the jungle's wrath. The beast, seeing Cassandra's resolve, did not attack. Instead, it revealed the crown and told her the truth. The crown was a symbol of power, but true power lay within herself. Cassandra understood. She had been seeking external validation, forgetting that her inherent strengths were her true crown. She returned to her home, no longer seeking the crown but cherishing her own power. From that day forward, Cassandra was not only the most beautiful and strongest bird in the jungle but also the wisest. She taught others the lesson she had learned, that true power comes from within, and the search for external validation is a futile one. The story of Cassandra the cassowary serves as a reminder to us all that we are our own greatest source of power and wisdom. Let us strive to find our inner strength and embrace our true selves.